An entitled couple tried to frame me for unaliving their baby. A few days ago, I got into a car accident that was mostly my fault. While backing out of a driveway, I hit a speeding car. Inside were a middle-aged couple and their toddler, seated in the back next to the door I hit. The father stepped out, showing me their sleeping baby, while the mother made a call. We pulled into a parking lot to wait. Around 5:40, their niece and her boyfriend arrived, demanding money for repairs. I told them we'd go through insurance since I couldn't pay out of pocket. The niece pressured me, but I stood firm. By 6:15, the toddler finally woke up crying. When the police arrived, the niece lied, claiming the baby had been crying since the accident. That's when I realized they were trying to pull an insurance scam. Luckily, my dash cam footage showed they had run a red light before the crash. I showed the footage to the police and pointed out that the baby had only just started crying. The niece started screaming, calling me a liar. I calmly pointed out that if her story were true, they should be charged with child endangerment. The officer warned her, and she quickly backed down.